In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Quick Share on Google File Manager. Yeah, so you can see this here. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get to the tutorial. So we are going to use Quick Share on here. So what we do is we tap on the Quick Share button here. You see, just tap on that there. Good. And then to send or receive a file, you need to turn on your location, your Bluetooth and all that. So we turn on our Bluetooth. Good. So now let's say we want to send the file. So we tap on the send here. Good. And now we select a file. Good. So let's use this capture here. So I'm trying to send this image here, right? Good. So I'm looking for nearby files and nearby devices. So the other individual will also have to turn on their Quick Share. They tap on receive and they are good to go. Simple as that. So that's it on how you use Quick Share on your Google File Manager. Simple and easy. Just open your File Manager like this, tap on that. You can even select the file and then tap on Quick Share. It's up to you, right? And you choose it from here. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.